And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking north on 13th Street North about an hour ago. Right now we're at -4 degrees. Our low was -15 at 1 a.m. and we got up to 0 at 2 p.m. this afternoon. Starting to see those clouds thicken up a little bit out there. Winds are still out of the southwest, but as I was saying to Camilla, tomorrow, late in the day, is when the cold front really starts to slide south, but you can already see the impact of the cooler air mass to the north making its way a little further into our territory as we look at the regional temperatures map here. What we're watching is precipitation moving in from the west, the cold front dropping down from the north from northern Alberta starting late in the day tomorrow, but as I said, you can already see some of that impact. A lot of that has to do with the fact that clear skies allowed those temperatures to drop as well, but the precipitation will be rotating through a low pressure center. Now, in advance of that low, we pick up the benefits. On the flip side of the coin is the warmer air mass. Tomorrow, we're expected to get to 4 degrees for a high. Then as that system starts to push across the mountains, we'll see the cooler temperatures impact us. But in the last hour or two, we've learned that this low pressure center is expected to stall in southern BC. So heavy amounts of precipitation will be deposited during those hours that it has stalled in southern BC. So 10 to 20 centimeters in the higher elevations, 15 to 20 in the lower elevations. So there a lot of snow is expected to fall in BC. Snowfall warnings are already out for the West Kootenay area and areas to the west of that, and that will start to slide eastward. By the time it gets here, it looks like Sunday we'll see a light scattering of snow, but right now it looks like a lot of the snow will be deposited before it gets to us. So expect a little dusting, but not big, huge snowmen making snow. That's not what we're going to get. 1 degree in St. John's right now, low pressure center just south of Halifax. We've got heavy snowfall warnings for the northern sector of that province. And then we've got a mixed bag of conditions, some days of rain, some days of snow, and some days of sun in the next 4 or 5 days because of low pressure centers moving across the Great Lakes. -10 degrees in Winnipeg right now, -14 light snow in Regina, -17 in Saskatoon, -13 in Edmonton, -2 in Kelowna. It's raining in Vancouver. They have rainfall warnings out for Vancouver and snowfall warnings in place as the temperatures drop. Overnight forecasts in East Kootenay, you're looking at light snow tonight, -5 degrees for a low. Tomorrow morning, light snow, and then by the afternoon, flurry activity. Crow's Nest Pass, looking at partly cloudy skies tonight, windy tonight, mainly cloudy tomorrow, 2 degrees, and windy once again tomorrow for you, gusting to 70. Medicine Hat, mainly clear tonight, down to -9, mainly sunny tomorrow, 3 degrees for a daytime high, and a little breezy for you folks. Here in Lethbridge, looking at partly cloudy skies and windy conditions tonight, down to -7. Tomorrow, the winds will be with us, but that'll bump our temperature up to 4 degrees. We'll have a sun and cloud mix. And then as we head into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we have Friday with a chance of flurries, Saturday chance of flurries. Sunday looks like a chance of some light snow dusting as the core of that system finally crosses the mountains. And then we have a chance of seeing some flurries with a sun and cloud mix as we head into Monday. So not looking at huge amounts on this side of the Continental Divide, but expect a little bit of dusting in the next few days. That's the way it looks right now. Now, we're not going to see a lot of sunshine in the next few days, and people in the northern hemisphere are sadly lacking in the amount of sunshine that we get in the winter that allows our bodies to produce vitamin D. You might want to check with your physicians, but experts say that the current guidelines for the amount of vitamin D you should be taking orally might not be right for you, so you want to check with your practitioner. And if you're feeling a little blue during the winter, it might be because you're not getting enough vitamin D. So live better. That's our tip for this week. We'll see you later.